Today I'm going to show you a working demonstration of a solar panel. So here I have a solar panel which is connected with a wire, and here I have a rechargeable battery. So the moment it is connected to the rechargeable batteries, the batteries gets charged, and later on it can be used whenever we need it. But right now I am under the sunlight right now, so we'll be able to see working of light. So here a solar energy will be converted into a light energy. It will also convert it into electric energy, where it will be able to see that what amount of electricity the panel is able to produce. It will also convert it into sound energy and also mechanical energy. So the fan motor will also work. So let me first connect it to the light energy, and you will see that the light is glowing. You won't be able to see it very bright because we are under the sunlight right now. But let me connect this to a voltmeter, where we'll be able to see how much volt the electricity is getting produced. So it's around 3 to 4 volts. Let me connect it to the sound now. Let me just switch it on, and we are able to get a sound. Let me also connect this to a motor, and we are able to see that the motor is functioning. So sunlight can be converted into various different forms of energy, which is light, then electrical, sound, and mechanical. The moment I'll just try to put my hand on the solar panel, you will observe that the motor will stop working. The motor has stopped working, right? Then again it will start working. But at night we do not have sunlight, so the best way to use solar panels is to store the energy. So here I have a rechargeable batteries. Some amount of electric energy will stored inside it, and then we will use it later on. So now we will go inside, and then we will try to check out how the batteries can be used. So I'm going to connect it to the battery first, and the second pin will be connected to the light, and you will see that the light is glowing. Same way, let us check it out. How much amount of voltage does this battery have right now? So let us connect it to the voltmeter. So in the meter it shows between 2 and 3. Let us see if we are able to get the sound on, and the sound is also working. Now let us connect it to the fan. Let's see if it is working or not. The fan is also working. So here if you see, sun's energy, which is freely available, can ideally be converted into various different forms of energy. And now it is free of cost. You can try to implement this setup in your house and see the working of it, and take benefits, because you don't have to pay for electricity afterwards. Alright.